So like that. Alright, now you've got the shape. And then what you're gonna do next is just move the blade maybe a centimeter or something like that to one side, trace it, do it on the other side as well. Just take the blank you cut out, slide it into the middle, and then just position it as you please. Again, make sure to press it down just a little bit so it doesn't flex too much or it doesn't move too much. And then trace the outside. Now we're just gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, half an hour, depending on your wood glue. Alright, now I've got this glued up, just confirming that it actually fits, and it does. Cool. So now we can just, this one, and I made this sheet with just the exact process here, and sand a bit, give it 2 coats of painting, and then a little bit of varnish over that, paint a little emblem on here. As you can see, works just fine.